So you're stuck with the wrong date of birth on TikTok. Here's how to change your birth date the real way possible. So first you have to open up your TikTok and go to your profile. Now tap the edit profile button, and here you will notice there's no option to change your birth date. So you just have to go back and tap the three-line menu in the profile and open settings and privacy. Here you just have to go to help center, and now under account section go to see more, then select chat with us. Now choose account and look for the option. So here you can see I want to update my birth date, but if you don't see the option right away, you have to regenerate and keep checking until it appears. So once you find it, just select it and TikTok will send you a link to confirm your date of birth. So here you can see mine is in top because I tried it before. So when I go to the link, here you will see the edit menu. So now from here, just choose your correct birth date and then tap next. After that, TikTok will ask you to verify your age. You can easily verify using your facial age estimation or by submitting a selfie with a valid government issues ID. Then complete the selfie verification and follow the on-screen steps what they actually ask. You just need to be patient while TikTok verify your identity, and once the verification is complete, your birth date will be updated this way. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.